Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So, festive season has just started in India. Like we have so many upcoming festivals and Raksha Bandhan or Ganpati, then Navratri, then Diwali and a lot. And we all will be worrying as uh, what dress to style and then which jewelry to style along with that. Well, I don't know about the dress, but jewelry styling I can definitely help you. So today we are gonna make so today, with reference to this festive season, we are gonna make this cute necklace set, which I had made recently for the same, and it really gives a total royal vibe upon wearing. As I have used whole pearls in that, and this can be used with your sari or lehenga or any ethnic outfit, and will make you feel very unique. So this is how it looks, and these are the earrings. So this is very helpful in giving the royal look, and this is very easy to make also. And you can also make them your own variations. As I always say that the fun of jewelry making is that you can always use your own ideas, and you can use in different colors also. Like I have used here purple because I didn't have much jewelry in purple, but you can throw any other color. And also it does take a little time to add these beads, add these pearls. So I really enjoy making this beautiful design for you all, and also then making the tutorial and everything. And I hope that you will also watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I have a request that I really want to grow out my channel on this platform. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me, as it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. So first, as usual, we will take this MDF mold and we will cover this with this fabric. So I have taken this purple fabric for a change. Then apply the glue. So I have taken the fabric glue here, and then I'm taking this big kundan that we use to make kundan jewelry. And over here we are gonna add a stickable kundan, that are small kundan. So I have applied the glue first, and these are cute tiny kundan that we are gonna stick to around all these big kundan. So let's add them quickly, and this is how this cute kundans will look. Now we are gonna add some layers of a pearl bead chain and diamond bead chain and so on. So this is a small pearl bead chain to match with the vibe. So I have added the glue already, and we will just add this small pearl bead chain over here. And you can do lots of experiments with that. If you want to add any other form of kundan like oval shape or leaf shape or triangular shape, you can just do that. And also you can add the golden bead chain in this. In the same way we'll add this diamond bead chain. So let's add this quickly. Now we are going to add this square type kundan. So I have added the glue, and we will add this three square type kundans over here to enhance it looks. And now again we'll add one small kundan. So we'll take the same kundan that we applied initially, this small kundan, to enhance it look. So this is how it looks. Now we'll flip this side, and we're gonna add the eye pins to attach the pearls later. So I have taken the ample amount of glue, and we will add the if you can see the design, we have added the eye pins in a diagonal, not in a opposite way, but a diagonally opposite to each other. So I have taken one eye pin. So in this way we'll add the 4 eye pins over here, and we won't add it to opposite of each other, but just next to each other like this. And once it get dried, I'll add the back finishing fabric and we'll do the further work. So now we'll add some kundans to this down part over here. For that I'm taking this eye pin, then we'll add this 5 golden bead, and then we'll add this long pearl over here. Then this one we are gonna add So now we'll add this in this kundan. So this is how the structure will be. So first I'll add this loria from here, laria from here, and then we'll make a hook, a U shape, hook like this, and we'll add this laria from this uh, kundan. So this is not easy in the beginning, but you can do it. So just attach the eye pin and then wrap it around. So I'll quickly do that. And yeah, so this is how it looks. I have attached this and wrap it properly. Also take the help of plier if you want to do. And this is how this gorgeous tassel, you can say, is ready. Now we will attach the same with the help of jump ring. So I'll take one jump ring and we'll add it over here uh, to this to the hole over here, and the same we'll add this to this kundans. In the beginning it will take a little time for you, but later on the efforts are worth, and this looks so gorgeous and so unique while wearing. So make sure to attach this jump ring very tightly to fix it properly. Now we'll add now again in the same way we'll add these pearls to the both sides. So just make a U like this so that it comes out very easily. This is my trick to you know make and take this laria out. So this is how we have to add 3 pearls over here. Now we'll add the pearls in the front. So for that we'll take this 30 gauge wire, gear wire, sorry, and in this one hole first we'll add um, I'll add this, and then I'll add the lock bit over here so that we can lock it properly, and just take it out till the end, and then fold this gear wire over here. You can also add 2 bits to make it more stronger, and then with the help of plier just punch it a little like this. So with this we have attached this gear wire firmly over here, and then we will add some pearls in this. So we will add this 3 mm pearls over here. So we will add them quickly. So there are lots of videos on my channel which are very good to make jewelry for the upcoming festivals, and also I'm going to add lots of jewelries in traditional style. So stay tuned to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do press the subscribe button. I have made lots of videos on traditional jewelry where I have made various designs in a very simple way, which looks very beautiful, and also you can make them with minimal material. So do watch these videos and do let me know how was your experience while making this jewelry. I really like a lot when you interact with me with my content. So in this over here this part takes a little time, but it's worth. So now we have attached enough pearls to make it a long necklace, and now again we'll lock it with the help of lock bead. So I have added the lock bead, and I'm taking this 5 hole connector, and first we'll see where the hole is, and accordingly we will attach the same way we attach the wire over here like this, and we'll cut the extra part of the wire. So in this way we have to add this all. So this is how our gorgeous necklace is almost ready, and now we'll add the necklace dori over here. So I've taken this jump ring, and then we'll add this in this hole of the necklace dori, and over here again we'll add this. So and we'll close the loop. So tada! So in the same way we'll add it to the next side. So it's just that it takes a little time to weave the beads over here, because there are 8 lines that we have to weave, and like we have to weave one by one. There is no other option. But it's really a fun making this kind of jewelry, which gives very unique look. So and make sure to tie this jump ring very firmly over here. So tada guys, with this necklace is ready. And guys, in the same way I have made the earrings, and then I have added this stud over here. So earrings are very same. I haven't added this pearl chain over here. You can also do the same experiment with you. So our necklace is ready. Isn't it a very pretty and beautiful necklace set? So do make this one, and let me know how do you like my video. through likes and comments. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.